Welcome to Deep Shadow. I am your guide, and today we explore travel essentials. It is very simple. I show an object, tell you about it, and you repeat every phrase after me. Are you ready? Let's start. Look, this is my passport. It is a very important document. I need it to travel abroad. Without a passport, I cannot cross the border. My passport has a dark blue cover. There is a gold emblem on the front. Inside, there are many blank pages. The border officer puts stamps on these pages. I must keep my passport in a safe place. It is dangerous to lose your passport. Always check your passport before the flight. Is it in your pocket or in your bag? Look at my photo inside. Don't forget to take your passport. Great, let's put it on the table. Look at this large suitcase. I use it for long trips. It has 4 small wheels. The handle is telescopic. I can extend it or hide it. My suitcase is made of hard plastic. It protects my clothes inside. First, I open the zipper. The suitcase has 2 main compartments. I put my shoes in a separate bag. Don't forget to roll your t-shirts. My suitcase is almost full. I must check the weight. It should not be too heavy. Great, let's close the suitcase. This is my boarding pass. I got it at the check-in desk. It is my permission to get on the plane. Look at the information on the card. Here is my name and my flight number. The gate number is very important. I need to find gate B22. The boarding time is also here. My seat number is 15A. It is a window seat. I love looking at the clouds. The officer will scan it before I board. Don't lose this small piece of paper. Keep it together with your passport. I am ready for the flight. Look at my vintage camera. I want to take a photo. It has a large glass lens. Don't touch the glass with your fingers. I use a leather strap to carry it. Press the button to take a picture. Click. The photo is ready. I need to adjust the focus. There is a flash on the top. I use the flash when it is dark. Wait, if a globe takes a selfie, is it a map? That is a good question. Smile for the camera. Perfect, let's put the camera down. This is a large paper map. I am lost in the city. I need to find the main street. Let's unfold the map on the table. The paper is old and thin. I see many roads and buildings. The river is marked in blue. The park is green on the map. Where is the nearest metro station? I follow the path with my finger. This map is very detailed. I don't need a GPS tonight. Fold the map carefully. Put it back in your backpack. Look at my blue backpack. Do you think I can put the world inside? It has many small pockets. The straps are soft and comfortable. I put my laptop in the main compartment. Did you close the zipper? Check it again. The backpack is quite heavy today. What is inside? Maybe a tasty sandwich and some books. It is perfect for long walks in the forest. Wait, did you listen to my night forest story? It is the best way to fall asleep. Take the backpack and let's go. The sun is very bright today. I need my cool sunglasses. Do I look like a movie star now? The lenses are dark and protect my eyes. The frame is made of black plastic. Can you see your reflection in the glass? Don't leave them on the chair. Someone might sit on them. Crunch. Oh no, that was a joke. I keep them in a special hard case. Clean the lenses with a soft cloth. Now everything looks stylish. Do you wear sunglasses in winter? This is my soft neck pillow. It looks like a large gray donut. Is it tasty? No, it is for sleeping. I use it on the plane or in the car. It supports my head perfectly. I feel very relaxed and cozy. By the way, do you pass my Monday quizzes? They are great for your brain. The pillow has a velvet cover. I can wash it in the machine. Are you getting sleepy now? Wake up. We have 2 more items. This is my small leather wallet. Is there any money inside? Let's check the pockets. I have some coins and a few credit cards. Keep your receipts in a safe place. I don't like carrying a lot of cash. Do you prefer to pay by card or by phone? The wallet has a strong metal button. I lost my wallet once in London. It was a very sad day. Don't forget it on the table. My ID card is also here. The wallet is empty now, but my heart is full. And finally, my smartphone. It is the most important tool. I use it to book hotels and buy tickets. The screen is very bright and sharp. Did you subscribe to English Snap yet? Click the button right now. I use my phone to learn new words every day. Is your battery low or full? I need to find a charger. The camera on this phone is amazing. Turn off the notifications and rest. Great job today. Time for a memory test. Look at the table. What is the name of the document you need to cross the border? Yes. It is a passport. What is this donut for your neck? Correct. It is a travel pillow. And what is this card with your flight number? Exactly. It's a boarding pass. What do you call this large bag with wheels for your clothes? Well done. It's a suitcase. You are amazing. Thank you for practicing with me today. Next time, we will talk about morning routine. Don't miss it. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.